To insert a daily works list in the Bill of Quantities view of the Measurements editor for a cost management document, just select the Daily Works option from the local pop-up menu. This activates the specific view, which is List of Costs and Provisions, where in the description page you can indicate the start date and measurement date. We can also indicate a rate code and article. We can also enter a description and assign categories and chapters. In the general data page, you can enter overheads and company profits. We can also indicate the type of calculation formula which is to be applied. Select whether the discount is to be applied to the total, to overheads plus company profits, only to overheads, only to company profits, or not applied at all. We can also attach an image to the Daily Works list. In the Workers and Equipment page, you have the main editor, where by pressing the Insert key, you can then enter the description for the various worker skills or the equipment used. You can indicate the hours of work, day by day, and the hour cost for the first day. And by confirming the row with the Enter key, you can now see how the program moves on to the next day. At this stage, we can simply confirm or edit those fields that need to be modified. In the Workers and Equipment data, we can retrieve by means of drag and drop or from other documents, other items from the Active Price List window. In the Provisions page, with the same functionality just seen in the Workers and Equipment editor, you can enter further costs, maybe with references to invoices and so on. In the lower part of each page, you can see the view details showing the summary and the Daily Works list total. Returning to the description page, you can calculate the exact measurement date by selecting the Calculate Measurement Date button. To close the editor, simply change to a different view. If you want to access the editor again, simply double-click on the provisional cost item or just select it and press the F2 function key. Daily Works lists, in addition to being included in our construction cost management documents, can also be printed independently. Just activate the Print Manager, select the Daily Works list node, and select the Print button.